Hey baby.
Out of my mind, I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be.
Hey babes, it's Kit and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna dye my hair purple. I kid you not. So, let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna start off by parting out my hair. And then we'll come back when I'm gonna dye it. Okay, so I have my hair parted. The fan is on, but it's too hot for me to take it off. Therefore, it's staying on. So we're just gonna get into dyeing my hair. So I have my own bowl to put dye in. So we're gonna do that.
To feel this way. Still too.
I don't have a glove, by the way. It's professional for that dish. I think we could get right into dyeing our hair. Put everything up. So I'm putting this black top on the bed so that I don't mess up my bed, because Mary would kill me. So let's get into it. Oh, they said to not wash my hair this time, so don't mind, my hair is full of gel and flakes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush this out and clear it out as best as we can, and then we're gonna get into dyeing our hair. Okay, and now we take the brush. Let's take it in small sections. Take the brush. That is brushing doing the best job. Should we just take our hand and just distribute it? My hands are gonna be purple after this. It's professional for that dish. But that's fine. That's fine. We love a good color queen. Not even 5 minutes in properly, I messed up the sheet. So guys, let me go try salvage my sheet. Probably shouldn't have done it on my bed, but I was too lazy with everywhere else.
Wish we were growing older.
Should have probably taken all my earrings. Kinda too late for that right now. Looks good, looks good. Looks saturated. I found another dot on my bed. I might get lazy by doing like all of these fine strands like going up, I'm not gonna lie. And you might just see me put in like a whole set in a chunk. I'm hoping for this. I didn't clear it out, that's why it's so hard. Karisha, you had one job, literally one job. I have no idea how I'm getting any of this dye off of my hands or nails. This is an example of one of the chunks I'm just gonna go all in for.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking.
Oh my gosh, it's on my foot!
Got another new day.
We're almost finished, oh, and we're still in the first dye. That's impressive. I'm not a professional at this, so don't copy what I'm doing. I'm just winging it at this point. Then on the body of the hair, saturate that hair. Make sure you get every, that's gonna stay. Make sure you get every inch of it. Should I dye my brows? I mean, that's going a little too far. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Make sure. Ooh, purple hair!
We were growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us. We're still so.
Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this part of my hair and then move it. What am I saying? I'm gonna be right back, okay? When I finish this part of my hair. Okay, right. So this is how my hands look, and I'm gonna try and wash it off, and then we're gonna just leave this to sit for a bit. Yeah, my hair is fully purple. I hope everything is like color. Gonna check that video and see. So you guys will see me in the next half an hour, I believe. So let's go. So overall, this is how my hair is right now. This is how stained my hands are. This is how my hair is overall right now. I'm gonna check back in like half an hour, wash it out, and then we're gonna see the results. So, but I love the color payoff this far. My mother is going like to kill me. If this comes out bomb, totally worth it. Guys, you would not believe I can't even find the stain, but like I use like my, you guys see me, I use my dog stain remover, and it said wait like 6 minutes, and I waited like 6 minutes, and then after I wiped it off, and then after you can't even see the stain anymore, but it's gone. I might just found a way to save my life. Stain wearer. Okay, so guys, we're gonna rinse this out now. I think it's time. I normally wait more than the 15 minutes they recommend because I have natural hair and a lot of hair to saturate as well. But I think that we can rinse it out right now, so let's get into it. This is how I dye my hair. So I hate cold water, but I think right now we have to wash out our hair with cold water.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking.
So I don't even know if we're gonna go and come on anymore. So we already washed out the color. We're gonna condition our hair now.
Down, too many years going by, caught in an action I can't.
It's more so pink than purple though, but it's still a vibe, still a look.
Out of my mind, I'm still too
Okay.
young, still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older, got weights upon.
I just broke a nail. You can't see it through the color, but ouch. So we let the conditioner sit and we try rinse off our skin. So guys, this is the hair. This is the hair straight out of the shower. This is the color. I saw some spots like it missing, but yeah. So let me go style it and see how well I could wear it. So yeah, let me get back to y'all. But this is the final results thus far. So ending it off with stained hands and pink hair when it's supposed to be purple. This is the final outcome. Not bad. Not bad. For a home dye, yeah. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Share with your friends. And until next time, bye.
We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. I'm still so young. Young, young, young. asleep.